Oh, you know you make me float, float, float. Boy, you really give me. Focus, 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 focus. Can you focus on me? Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. And yeah, thank you. In today's video, it's going to be quite short. As you can see at the what's this, the title below, doing something very cool. But anyways, in Lister's words, please look nice. I tried to do a hairstyle, but yeah, this video is not about that. Let me show ya. Let me show ya. Da 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 da. I never thought I would be an iOS baby, but I sing lap. But I want to compare to, because I used to have this one, this MacBook Air 20. This one is the 2017 one. Yeah, but obviously it's not in here. I still have some of the stuff, but yeah. Like, did it fit in here? Nah. You know, the last time I didn't open this manual, but anyways, let me stop blabbing. I need this actually. Let me put them on the side. I want to see guys. Unboxing. Okay, it's smaller. Unboxing the new MacBook Air. Maybe it's M1. This is the 2020 13-inch. Can you see? Is it focusing? Don't focus on me, baby girl. Focus on this. Guys, this is so gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. So the box it's smaller actually. It's smaller than that other one. I mean the MacBook Air. Yeah, man. Anyways, let's unbox it. So oh guys, she's so stunning. She is so stunning. So it comes in like this. Ah, what a cute box, hey? What a cute box. What a stunning girl. Before here's the charger. It's a type C. Oh, it's so long. This can definitely charge my phone. Type C charger. Oh, it's so long. And then I'm gonna open here. Here's the adapter. At least I want type C, so yeah, here's the adapter. Sorry if I'm looking up there. I wanted to check. Okay, so obviously this is the manual, designed by Apple in California. Sorry guys, sorry for annoying. I wanted these because these ones are lighter than these ones. I mean, the gray. So my old laptop, these were the stickers, and then this is the new. Okay, Apple. Okay, Apple. I see you. And then let me show you the baby girl. Woo! Ashu. Yeah, this is quite small. It's so petite though. I love the gray. This dark gray, because the last one, my first one was a lightish gray. This dark gray is actually gorgeous. it's got this pot, yeah, earphones or and then these two pods also. But you can see these small ones. I finally the one I had really no. It was like this. The old ones. It was like this on the sides level. So now the new ones M1. They like this. They're small. There. Is it focusing? Yeah. Guys. We got a MacBook Pro. The way it's portable. Oh, I don't believe. Okay, let me be honest. I did unbox it at work and already customized it at work. MacBook Air M1. It's so pretty. This one is the fingerprint button thingy. Hey, Apple yadibona it. Yadibona mara. Hey, it's so gorgeous. I don't even want hoising. But I don't. Na I sing shema. But now one thing with me and gadgets, I sing. But this is a gorgeous baby. This is a gorgeous baby. I'm gonna get this for myself. Get me rego, guys. I didn't buy this. It's for work and yes, I'm gonna get this. I've made up my mind. I'm getting this for myself. Yeah, man. And it's not quite expensive. Like I paid, man. I paid. It's nice and portable. That other one nearly thin, but this is small and so cute. Okay. Because you saw how the sockets are very small, it's not like the ones I had. They got us this also. Don't ask me why I work. I work somewhere and we earned this. So they got us by adapter. So it's like this. It's got this type C thing. It's not focusing there. It's not. Yeah, cute. Type C what and then it's got this also. It's got for the SD card, the memory card, the small one, the type C port, USB, HDMI, and then you can connect from the internet straight. Can I use an adapter? I can show you, but guys, this is so cool. Wow. Yeah, I just wanted to brag of what I got at work. Yeah, but anyway, yeah, that's all, guys. That's all I wanted to show you. That's all I wanted to unbox. The new baby girl. With this one. So clearly we all know now. Oh, it's got this. The old one. The old one had this cushiony thing. And then the new one doesn't have like a normal box. And then this cushion thing. It's so cool. But galenga ka mogare la bona. Kholo sham, e kholo. Slightly. So this can't be 13-inch actually. If they say this is 13-inch, this can't be 13-inch. Because this was 13-inch. But anyways, yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I've already connected. I've already personalized it. I've done it. so everything is just work related here. But anyways, I'm getting this one. I'm getting this baby for myself this year. From my lips to God's ears. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Thank you.